of South Carolina, Governor's Proclamation.
Whereas, based on her observations of children and the manner by which they learn,
Dr. Maria Montessori developed an innovative philosophy of education in the early 1900s
that continues to influence learning across our state and nation, and
whereas the Montessori program, a system for the education of children from birth through the age of 18, uses materials, techniques, and observations that support the students' natural development, encourage their learning, independence, and self-confidence,
and advance the principles of peace through responsible citizenship.
Whereas the Montessori method includes developmental teaching, one-to-one lessons,
and the promotion of respect among the children and peace to humankind.
Now therefore, I, Nikki R. Haley, Governor of the great state of South Carolina, do hereby proclaim February 22nd through 28th, 2015 as Montessori Education Week.
I'm Nikki Haley, Governor of South Carolina, and we are so excited to be celebrating Montessori Education Week. With individualized instruction for every child, Montessori education is a leading choice for many of South Carolina's families.
Happy Montessori Education Week! Happy Montessori Education Week!